Welcome to our Kitchentale. Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng roasted lamb with rosemary and garlic.
It's a simple recipe lamang po ito, but then it's good. We need 3 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced.
And then, we need rosemary sprigs. Then, we need also 1/4 cup of oil. And, of course, salt and pepper. And then, lastly, yung main ingredients natin ay ang lamb. So, we need a roasting pan kung meron po. And then, atin po itong itap ng tissue para mawala yung mga excess water. So, it's optional po kung paano nyo po ito gagawin. But for me, nag-create po muna ako ng mga slits or holes sa karne bago ko po ito lalagyan ng asin at pepper upang manuot po yung rekado na ating gagamitin.
Now, let's sprinkle it with salt and pepper. Gagawin po natin ito both sides.
Pagkatapos po natin lagyan ng asin and pepper, ngayon po ay ilalagay na po natin yung mga slices of garlic and sprigs of rosemary.
So, after po natin lagyan ng rosemary and garlic, irarap po natin ito ng olive oil.
To give you an info about lamb is naturally rich in protein, which helps muscle growth and supports muscle mass. Protein is also needed for normal growth and development of children's bones. Lamb naturally contains vitamins and minerals that support good health and well-being. Now, let's put it in the oven. So, I preheated it. Kailangan po siyang maluto within 1 hour and 10 minutes.
At the heat of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After more than an hour, pwede na po yung ating roasted lamb. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang roasted lamb with rosemary and garlic. Thank you for watching. God bless. Jesus loves you.